Okay, guys. So I just want to explain where you should be going to log into your area. Now, there's two ways that you can do it, and I want to just show you the most important two to start with. So if you visit this address, which is bodytransformationcenter.com, and then click on the members area, or alternatively go to the bodytransformationcenter.com/members-area. Okay, that will bring you to this page. All right. Now, what I need to explain is there is two pieces of software we use, and these are your login points on the screen. Okay, there's one here and there's one here. Okay, so booking in your training sessions should be straightforward. That means you click on the book now button. Okay, so you click on this, and that takes you to the page where you can book in your training sessions. Okay. Now, obviously, I haven't got an account, so I haven't got any memberships live, so I can't see this. But in here is where your timetable will show up if you stay logged in to the TeamUp app or software. Okay. Number two, this piece here, the training and app. So that is linked to the app. So if you want to log in via a web browser, you click on this one and click login now. Okay, you type in your password. So I'm going to just show you how this works. Log in. Okay, and that'll bring up your dashboard. And that has everything that's relevant to you in the dashboard area. Okay, so all of these are relevant to you. And I'll explain a little bit more about those very shortly, because I want to make sure that you understand the right way and the wrong way to get involved with it all. All right, so that's just your login portals. Those are the only two you need to focus on. Okay, there'll be links in the emails if you need them on where you need to go. But if you use our website as the main login, it'll make your life easier. Alternatively, you can save the web addresses to your phone and utilize those. All right. Any questions? Send us a query over to customer services at bodytransformationcenter.com. That's customer services at bodytransformationcenter.com, and someone will get back in contact with you. Okay.